Hey, I just wanted to share a quick Excel tip for anyone who's getting bill of materials provided for purchasing or material ordering or anything from your detailer or CAD program. So this is some stuff I do just to clean up the spreadsheet and make it a little easier to work in. So I'll just show a few tips on how I do it. One thing I do is you can see some of the text is cut off on some of these cells. If you go up to the top and just double click, it will auto expand each column to the correct width for the data that's in that cell. So that's the first thing I'll do. Another thing I'll do is if you hold Control and Shift at your header in the top corner, you can hit the arrow keys on your keyboard and it will select all the way over, and you hit the down key and it'll select all the way down. And once I have my entire data set highlighted, I can press Control T and it will convert this data set into a table. And what a table allows me to do is now I've got this header row with these toggles, and I can sort. Let's say I wanted to sort everything by material type. So all my quarter-inch plates at the top, I've got some angled, and I've got some HSS. Well, if I wanted to only see, I don't know, this HSS 3x3, I could only turn that one on, and it will filter out only that. Well, let's say I wanted to see all HSS. I could just come in here in the search box and type HSS, enter, and now you see I've got my 3x3 and my 2x2 all here. Another thing you can do with the table is when you select anywhere within this, any individual cell within the table, you get this special ribbon up here called Table Design. And if you select, if you'll see when I click out, that special ribbon goes away. So you have to select in here, go to Table Design, and then you can turn on this total row. And now I can do some formulas down here at this bottom bar that just appeared. And I can sum up everything that's in a particular column. So I like to sum up the weight, and then I'll also sum up the piece count. And so I can see I've got 98 pieces of HSS for a total weight of 1,589 pounds. And if I clear that filter, you can see my total piece count is 230 now, and my weight is 3,800. So tables are a pretty powerful way to deal with large sets of data, especially if maybe you're ordering plate from one supplier and you're ordering HSS from another. You can split up your spreadsheets pretty easy that way and send them out to different parties. Another thing I like to do is insert a slicer. And so when I hit that button, it gives me a list with all of these headers on my table, and I can check which one I want the slicer to be made of. So let's do one for profile here. I'm just going to turn that on and hit OK. And now I get this little thing called a slicer popped up. And it works exactly like these filters that I just showed you, but it's just a lot quicker. I can click on just one and it'll just do a quick filter. And I can even, if I select it, I can even make it bigger. And so you can quickly do these filters. And if I hold Control, I can do multiple at once. And you'll see all the numbers will adjust. So anyways, hope that helps someone. It's a pretty quick way to, like I said, deal with these bill of materials, which most CAD programs, most detailing programs will spit out these days. So hope that helps.